Hi! In this video, we'll explore the bill of materials, delve into raw material requirements, byproducts, and other related items. To ensure the fulfillment of our sales plan and the production of the respective product, we first examine the raw material requirements. In this section, we can see what raw materials and in what quantities are needed for the given sales product. Based on this information, the system, also considering procurement prices, calculates the raw material requirements. We present the calculated values per sales item and raw material component. This reveals how much of the given product we sell, and the line-by-line calculated requirements show what demands arise during production. Based on this, the system calculates the cost and an average price per kilogram or other unit of quantity. Thus, it provides the unit cost in euros for the given volume or mass. Byproducts are elements that are generated during production and include items that exit the process, such as raw cream produced during the fat removal of milk. The costs of these elements are calculated with the opposite sign, which improves the cost and balance. The semi-finished elements are designated, and here you can see, for example, for whey or raw cream, what the sales items are, the volume at which these were utilized, and the volume at which they are produced. Here, in this overall view at the planning level, you can see the quantity unit and how many kilograms are compiled. This can be compared with the requirements where we can, for example, show that for this product, the outgoing amount is this much, whereas the requirement is only this much, thus creating a marketable surplus. In the case of whey, the situation is the opposite. Less is produced than what is required, so a purchase will be necessary. Thank you for your attention. In the next video, we will go through the profit and loss analysis process.